Good day everybody, today in front of me I have TLC 30SE smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can activate the keyboard Clipboard on this device. So first you gotta do is to open up the keyboard anywhere. In my case I'll use the Google search bar for it. Here on top of the characters and numbers, look for this very icon that's basically is responsible for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and in order to activate the clipboard, that it's left to do is to turn on the switch, and that will ultimately mean that the clipboard is successfully activated. In order to manage the clipboard elements, just tap on this pencil, choose any elements that you want to remove, and then tap on this trash bin. Next, in order to add the element to the keyboard, you gotta copy anything. In my case, I'll just type in the word car, or should let it be the word cat. I'll select it, copy, and if I'll go to the clipboard again, I'll see that the cat element is successfully added to the recent section. And in order to use it, just tap on it and it will be successfully pasted. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!